Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. This is part 2 of our SQL series where we will be cover RDBMS application type and what kind of SQL query we have to interact with RDBMS application. So guys, RDBMS, which means a relational database management system. So guys, in the market there are n number of RDBMS applications are present. So I have listed here which are more predominant. So first we have MS SQL Server, MySQL, Oracle, SQLite and Postgres SQL. So guys, here MySQL Server and Oracle are paid application, and on the other hand MySQL, SQLite and Postgres are open source. Okay, it means everyone can access these particular application without any cost. And guys, remember one thing, these are RDBMS application. Okay, maybe you can have some other application as well, but you need to keep in mind to interact with these application we need SQL. Okay, it means if you are using MS SQL Server, MySQL, Oracle, SQLite, Postgres SQL or any other RDBMS application, so to interact with these application, to talk with these application, we required SQL, which is structured query language. Okay, because sometimes the people are thinking I am learning MySQL, someone is learning MS SQL Server, someone is learning Oracle. That's particular fine. Okay, as I just mentioned, these are RDBMS application. To talk with these application, we need SQL. All right. So now what are those SQL query we have to interact with these applications? So guys, these are a type of SQL query. So guys, the very first query is DQL, which is data query language. And here you can find only the select statement. So guys, using select statement, we can retrieve data from tables in the database. And the next SQL query we have DDL, which is data definition language. So first we have create, by which we can make a new table or database. The second is alter. We can utilize the alter statement for changing the structure of the table. And the next is truncate. We can wipe out the whole records and rows from the table using the truncate command. Similarly, drop. We can wipe out everything, include the table structure and data. And the next is rename. Basically, we can rename the table. So just I'm giving you the basic overview about these queries. So the next we have DCL, which is data control language. Okay, it means DCL is changing the authority of a database user. So we have two commands, grant and revoke. So guys, in grant, we can give some authorization to a user. So guys, if I'm talking about revoke, so using revoke, we can back authorization of a user. All right. The next command we have DML, which is data manipulation language. Okay. So these particular command basically used for manipulating the data in a table of database. Okay. So first we have insert, so we can insert new rows. So next is update. So update an existing row based on some rules and condition. The next we have a delete. So simply we can delete a row only. All right. The last command we have TCL, which is transaction control language. So in simple term, TCL help you control what happened to the change made in a database during a transaction. So here we have a three command. First is commit. So for an example, if you are happy with the changes, so you can use commit to save them permanently. The next we have a rollback. So if something goes wrong, okay, so you can use rollback to undo those changes. And the next we have save point. So guys, using the save point, you can set a checkpoint to return, okay, if needed later. All right. So guys, these are all SQL query. With the help of these query, we can interact with all the RDBMS application. All right. So guys, I hope you understood the type of SQL query and its components. In the next session, we will be create a database and their setup. All right. And for now, thanks for watching and have a great day.